Alright guys, so I want to come here and do a quick unboxing review on my new ANCEL battery tester. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Awesome. So here's the actual device itself. Plugs right. With the connections right there. User manual for it, and then the cable to charge it up as well. So let's go and actually hook it up to the car and see how it works. All right, so I got it hooked up. As you can see, this powered right on. So we're gonna go ahead and do quick test. We're gonna go ahead and change this to 80 for mine. And here we go. It's gonna test it. Whoa. Very quick, good battery still. It's got all the information you need on there. Let's see what else it's got. Battery and vehicle. Cranking test, charging test. So, as you can see, super simple to use. So if you guys are looking for a new battery tester, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.